Are you out of fresh ideas about what to do? There are no boring days on the Troom Troom planet. Let's turn a banana into a cucumber, paint a flower pot, play egg theater, or take an epic photo in the blue smoke. Watch these and other funny ideas in our new video. It's a gray and damp day. I have no wish to go outside, but I promised to meet my friend Belle, so I have to go. Belle meets me in the park and brings smoke bombs. They will definitely make our day colored. Ignite a fuse of a colored smoke bomb. Follow the safety rules. Do not direct the smoke bomb onto other people or yourself. Now, you can make an epic photo shoot. The effect of the bright smoke will make gray and mundane photos colorful for sure. Hurry up and post them on social media. Let everyone see what an unusual day you've had. My friend leaves her banana unattended. It's her mistake, cause she will never see it again. I finish the banana in a moment. My blue-eyed friend comes back with a knife. She's about to chop the fruit into her oatmeal, but there's only the peel left. I offer her my cucumber to cheer her up. Pare the banana stalk to make it look like the cucumber one. Add a little water to gelatin. Heat it up in a microwave. Put in green food coloring. Drop the jelly over the banana peel. Let it cool. Mix a few food colorings in a palette. We will need black, dark green, and light green shades. Add a bit of white. Paint the banana. Start with the lightest shade. The closer to the end, the darker the color gets. Define the pimples with the darkest color. Let the cucumber dry. The blue-eyed girl can't figure out why she could need a cucumber, but when I start to peel it, she can see a transformation of the cucumber into a banana. My friend quickly breaks off a piece for herself, and a red tomato is everything that's left for me. My friend interrupts my photo shoot. She's got the mail. There's a cute mini camera in it. Print out mini photos. Each photo should be of the same size as a box of matches. Paint an empty matchbox black. Draw a circle on a sheet of white paper. Draw 3 identical stripes side by side. Cut it out. Cut the 2 edge strips in a zigzag pattern. Follow them to the center. Glue the circle to the triangles of the zigzag. Attach the other side to the box, shifting it slightly from the center. Paint the camera lens black. Add white paint and glow eyeshadow to the black paint. We've got a silver shade. Paint the side of the camera lens with it and define the lens itself across the edge. Add some silver details to the camera. Define the outlines with a black pen and add reflections of light to the lens with white paint. Paint the pictures in the box. This camera has only one mode of close-up photography. On the other hand, we can find an entire photo album inside. There are many pictures of the brightest moments in a compact photo box. And what to do if your breakfast is boring? Boiled eggs don't look too inspiring. You can arrange egg wars, or yolk romance, or try some balance tricks. But Belle has a creative idea of how to turn regular eggs into fairy tale characters. Take a cardboard strip and make a wide conic frustum. Cut off the excess and put a boiled egg in it as though in an egg cup. Wrap a colorful string around your finger. Tie it up in the middle and cut off the ends. This is a hairdo. Attach a piece of double-sided tape to the top of the egg and fasten the hairdo. Shape a ring out of golden tape. Cut out a tiny crown. Put it onto the eyed egg. Put another boiled egg into a black cardboard cup. Cut out 2 black circles of different sizes. Add a black strip. Roll the strip and glue the 2 circles to it. Attach the top hat to the egg. Glue eyes, and the gentleman's egg is ready. My friends created the entire egg theater. Sir Yolk is certainly in love with Princess Egg. He's been hitting on her for a long time, and she finally gives him a kiss.